How to download and install ExpressVPN. Please note that you should always download software from the official website to ensure its authenticity and security. Here are general steps you can follow to download and install ExpressVPN. 1. Visit the official website *, go to the official ExpressVPN website. You can use a web browser to navigate to the site. 2. Sign up and subscribe *. If you don't have an ExpressVPN account, you'll need to sign up and subscribe to one of their plans. Choose a plan that suits your needs, and provide the necessary information to create an account. 3. Select your platform *. ExpressVPN is compatible with various platforms, including Windows, macOS, Android, iOS, and more. After subscribing, choose the platform for which you want to download ExpressVPN. 4. Download the installer *. Click on the download link for the specific platform you selected. The website should provide you with the appropriate installer for your operating system. 5. Run the installer *. Once the installer is downloaded, run the executable file. For Windows, this is typically an .exe file, and for macOS, it's a .dmg file. 6. Install ExpressVPN *. Follow the on-screen instructions to install ExpressVPN. This usually involves agreeing to the terms of service, choosing installation options, and selecting the installation location. 7. Launch the application *. After the installation is complete, launch the ExpressVPN application. You may need to enter your login credentials to log in. 8. Connect to a server *. Once logged in, you'll be presented with the main interface. Choose a server location from the available options and click the Connect button to establish a secure VPN connection. 9. Optional, customize settings *. You can explore the settings within the ExpressVPN application to customize your preferences. This may include options like automatic connection on startup, protocol selection, and a kill switch. 10. Verify your connection *. After connecting to a server, verify that your internet traffic is now being routed through the VPN by checking your IP address or using online tools. Please note that these steps are general guidelines, and the actual steps may vary slightly based on the version of ExpressVPN and the operating system you are using. Always refer to the official ExpressVPN documentation or support resources for the most accurate and up-to-date instructions. If you encounter any issues during the installation process, you may also reach out to ExpressVPN support for assistance.